A concealer is the most neglected part in makeup, but it is so important as it gives us a flawless face. And this small thing can work as a magic and can truly change the makeup game. So there are so many types of concealers available in the market, from the liquid, powder, cream, and now the pencil concealers also. So basically what a concealer is and what it is used for. A concealer is just a makeup product that can be used to hide any imperfections. Concealer means to conceal, and that is to hide any kind of imperfection, and that imperfection can be any kind of blemishes that may be caused by the pimples, by the suntan, or by any kind of skin rashes, and the dark circles and any kind of pigmentation that you may have on your skin can be easily covered up by a concealer. So a concealer is used to cover any blemishes on your skin and to get a flawless face. Whenever I have any pimple, I just cover that pimple up by using a concealer and just dab the concealer there, and the pimple mark can be hidden easily. And if I have any kind of sun tanning on my skin, then I can easily cover that up also by using a concealer. So whenever I get any pimple mark or any kind of sun tanning, I can easily cover that up by using a concealer, and I can get a flawless face and I can feel more confident than before. Sometimes on the lazy days or on the hectic days when I do not want to apply a foundation, then I just apply a moisturizer, a primer, and then a concealer to cover my spots, and then I just apply a powder, and I can easily skip the foundation for those lazy days or for the hectic days. So when to apply a concealer is the base makeup product that can be applied only after the primer. Just apply the moisturizer according to your skin type, be it summer or winter, you should apply a moisturizer, and then a sunscreen if it is in the daytime, and then a primer, and after the primer you can apply the concealer to cover your blemishes, and then you can apply your foundation or base makeup if you want to apply so. Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal Official. I hope that you all are doing good guys. So guys, in today's video I am going to share with you my review and demo of these Maybelline Instant Age Rewind erasers or the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealers. So guys, if you want to see the review, then please continue watching. But before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then just take a moment to get subscribed to my channel, that is Neetu Bansal Official, and hit the red color subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you will always get notified whenever I am going to upload any of my future videos. So guys, let's get back to the video. So today I am going to use my one favorite product, and this does it all. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind eraser, and this is a multi-use concealer, and this can be used not one, not two, and this can be used in 3 ways. This has a revolutionary creamy formula that can be used in 3 ways: as a contour to contour your face, as a highlighter to highlight the high points of your face, and also as a concealer to hide any blemishes or to correct your face also. So it is a 3-in-1 revolutionary creamy formula, and it also gives medium to high coverage. So today I am going to share with you my go-to concealer, that is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. This is a one-click concealer for the instant transformation that I am going to use today. Now coming to the packaging, this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser comes in this cardboard packaging, and this has almost everything mentioned on this. And in the front, here is the concealer printed, and here is the name of the concealer: Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, 6.0 ml quantity. And on the top of the packaging, here comes the shade name and the shade number. Number is 130 and it is in the medium shade. And when we open it, we find the concealer, and this is how the concealer looks like. This comes in 9 different shades to suit the Indian skin tones. Now here comes the Instant Age Rewind concealer, which has a lid over it to secure it properly, and you can see that there are clear arrows on it to indicate us how to open it, I mean in which direction, and how to twist it, and how to move this concealer to extract the product out. This opens up just like this. It gives a unique iconic click sound while twisting. This is new, so I have to click a few times to get the product out for the first time, but after that it is so easy just as one click. It has a soft cushion tip which can be applied directly on the skin. It gets blended with the fingers so easily and seamlessly. It is super compact, handy and travel friendly. So before applying the concealers, I have already prepped and primed my face using a primer and a moisturizer underneath, and now I'm going to apply this concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium. I'm going to cover my dark circles and a little bit of pigmentation around my mouth by using this concealer. I'm just applying this to the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm just using my fingers in the tapping motion and just dab dab dab, and you're done. You can obviously use any tool just like a brush or a sponge to blend this concealer out, but it also gets blended with the fingers so seamlessly, just like any other tool. Just apply any under eye cream in case you have dry skin before applying the concealer under the eyes. Now applying a little bit over here. I have some dark spots here, so I'm going to blend this out with the brush only. This sounds to be my shade. Now I'm going to use a brush to blend this out. See how seamlessly it blends using a brush and with the fingers both. Now a little bit here also. This Instant Age Rewind eraser or concealer from the Maybelline can also be used as a base makeup, and I can use its medium shade. As you can see that it just matches my skin tone. I can use its medium shade as a base makeup only. Now I'm using the shade Butterscotch to contour my face. I'm using a brush to blend this out. You can use your fingers or a brush. I'm blending this out with the brush. See how good the contour has come out, and now I'm going to apply this as a highlighter. See how it has given a brightening effect on the under eye area, and now a little bit over the nose. Oh, a little bit here. And now a little bit over the pupils bow. See how it has transformed my look in just few clicks. The 3-in-1 Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer comes at an extremely affordable price, that is Rs 699, and it is available in 9 different shades that you can choose from according to your skin tone. The links for the purchase and price of this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealers are mentioned in the description box down below. You guys can check it out from there. It is infused with goji berries and haloxyl, and it can easily fit in your travel bag. It is so travel friendly and it is so secure for traveling as it shuts with a click. I feel that you can hear the sound of the click. And it is a multi-use product. It is a multi-use concealer, guys. It can be used as a highlighter to highlight the high points of your face, as a concealer or corrector to correct the imperfections, and also as a contour. So guys, a big thumbs up from my side for these Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealers. So just go and grab your concealers according to your skin tone. And this is the today's video. Today's video was all about the review and demo of this Instant Age Rewind concealer from the Maybelline. And guys, if you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.